Hello, it's Nick from Remax and Denver Area Realty. Hey, we're starting a new home series so you guys can see the construction and the building that's going on in and around Denver. This particular neighborhood is called Wild Plum, and we're looking at today at the Belmont, which is 4,300 square feet. Take a look and enjoy the tour. Well, thanks for coming along on the tour today. If you have any questions about any of these new homes, please give me a call at 303-912-NICK, which is 303-912-6425. Have a great day. Let me know if I can help you.